Hello everyone, this is Adam from Kanen. We have a Lucca M58. Came as a shot because it was leaking from the bottom when playing the shots. So, investigating, we found a heating element here. You can see that there's corrosion on this post right here, and on the actual contact itself, it's evidence of a leak, and some corrosion here. And you can even see the post. The ceramic part of the post is actually broken. You could also see that the gasket right here is bulging out. That can affect the seal. So, because of the damage here, we decided to replace the heating element. Put a new gasket in there. That stopped that leak. And the second source of the leak was actually the capillary tube of the pump gauge. You can see here it's actually broken off. But before, there was just a crack in it, and that was leading. There was like a little hairline fracture that was causing water to spray into it. And see the other side right here. So we ended up replacing the gauge. Because the original is kind of hard to source, they don't make them anymore. This is a V1 gauge. We decided to go with the V2 gauge. It required a little bit of finessing because the mount is a little different. This is a different mount than what comes with the new gauge, but I was able to get it to work, and everything's working. So, out of the machine, there's no leak right now. Passive leaks. We got steam. We got hot water. And I have some coffee in the portafilter. We're just going to do a test shot of coffee. Might come out fast, might come out slow, but this is just demonstrating that the machine is working as we expect. So you can see it goes all the way up to about 9 bars. It's coming out a little fast. And that's an issue with puck prep. So this probably won't taste very good. But as you can see, we have pressure on the pump side, and I can confirm that there are no leaks at the bottom. So that's about it for this video.